Hi guys, so yeah, carb job again. I tried to run Kawasaki as we preparing the tank. I tried to run Kawasaki, but it was run terrible. So what I notice is that I don't have a my first cylinder doesn't work on idle circuit. So then I thought on carburetors right away. But what concerned me the most is these motherfuckers don't show anything. When I try to synchronize the carbs, it doesn't show any value, anything. They don't move even when the bike is on 4000. And if you put the finger on the vacuum port, you are feeling the suction, good suction. So the valves are okay, that's for sure. Then I just go with the basics and start with the carburetors, and you cannot believe the fact that we clean all these 1 or 1.5 years ago, and even if I remove the fuel from them, still I got very bad situation here, especially with this one, the first one. So I think I find a reason why it's not firing on the first cylinder, but let's go step by step. First I will buy a new spark plugs just to be sure there. We didn't change them and I want to change them. Then I will clean the carburetors, but just I hope it will be enough if I clean just the main jet and idle jet and little passages that I can reach with some air. I think it will be enough. I think it's not that bad that I need to go over again. Right now I'm not excluding any option. I will clean them first and then we'll see if the bike will fire up better this time. Okay, we are going through the problem one by one. Now everything is clean and we don't have a leak. And the major issue I solved finally. At these situations you sometimes need to, light up the cigarette, drink a beer or something and just think. So, actually, when you think about it, people usually think that inlets are pushing the air, but actually they are sucking the air. So I just suck, pun intended. I sucked to test my meters, and it was working perfectly, but I still didn't get any readings on it. So after couple of minutes of thinking, what the fuck, then I realized I installed the restrictors, original restrictors to my tool, and for my Yamaha it's worked very great because it's steady the needles, but obviously Yamaha have a bigger suction, and these restrictors doesn't bother it, but not on this small engine, so I removed them, all 4 of them, and I put directly on inlets, and I got the readings. And that's the another question answered is, can you, sorry for the finger, uh, can you bench sink the carburetors? I used the 0.4 filling gauge for valves, and the small amount that bike actually worked, I saw that they are pretty aligned on the sync tool. Right now I cannot start the bike, not even with the choke. It's go up just it go up just when I put the start fluid in it, and I don't want to overuse the starting fluid. It's really, just to jump start it, but he raised the RPMs and then die. So first thing that come to my mind is that I'm lacking the fuel in carburetors. But yeah, I'm not sure yet what happened here. Yeah, I check almost everything. I don't have the vacum leak, so I spray the starting fluid or over the inlets. I don't have that, but somehow I think I am lacking on I'm lacking the fuel in my mixture. But on the other hand, if you see, and I even wash them, but if you see this is the cardon build, so maybe not. Yeah, still not sure. Quite frankly, I'm still not sure. Let me go over everything. So the mixture screw is adding, because when you have the mixture screw through the engine, then it's adding the gas, and if you have them on the side of the carburetors through the air filter, it's adding the air. So these are set up to 2.5 per manual, but this manual is really not helping me a lot. I must say Yamaha have significantly better service manual than Kawasaki. Well, to be continued. We solved the problem with the carb sync tool. We solved the problem with the carbs, let's hope. In second part of this video we will try with the new spark plugs, and try to find a sweet spot and try to start it. Yeah, wait for the part 2.